lemon, freshen everything up. I love to use coconut milk in both my lattes and my smoothies. A little honey to sweeten things up. And I love to use chia seeds. They're packed with iron and omega-3 fatty acids. A little secret to sweeten things up, some dates. And for a little tang, some yogurt. Wow, look at this gorgeous color. Now, I could do this the old traditional way in a glass, but I'm gonna make this into a smoothie bowl. And it may not look like much right now, but it's all about how you arrange the toppings. Look at the contrast of color on that fruit. And now for something a little bittersweet, some cocoa nibs. It looks like a piece of art. Only one thing left to do. Try this.